Hey guys, Woodsman Dan here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a review on the Lyman Plains pistol 50 caliber muzzleloader. It's a percussion cap style. Very beautiful pistol. It is very well built, very thick steel. Let's load it up and shoot it. Got a little grain measure. We'll put about 70 grains in it. Next you need a patch. It's like a gelled patch. And I have a round ball. What I'm using now is actually just muzzleloader propellant. If I use real black powder, it makes a lot bigger ball of fire. And I need my percussion caps. This style of pistol comes from, they call it the 1800s trapper's style pistol. I really love the style. Gotta put some earplugs in here. This thing's very loud. Alright, let's shoot this thing. We got it loaded up again. We put some real black powder in it. Let's see what kind of fireball it makes. I think that was pretty good. Alright, we got 50 grains of black powder in here. This will make a gigantic fireball. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good evening.